Hooray! The groovy shirt I thrifted online has finally arrived. Boo! It has a terrible logo on it. How can I fix it? I know! I'll add a groovy DIY pocket. Let's get making!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy shirt salvaging project, all you need is the shirt with the unfortunate logo or graphic, a bit of scrap fabric, a pocket template, and your sewing gear. It's super easy to create your perfect pocket template. Simply grab a shirt that has your ideal pocket size, pop a piece of scrap paper over top of it, grab a pencil, and just kind of feel your way and trace around the pocket. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a general idea here. And then simply chop it out. Ta-da! Pocket template. With a bit of extra here, of course, for seam allowance. And then all you have to do is pin your pocket template to your scrap fabric and cut it out. Now, I actually don't want to have the point bottom on my pocket, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as a square.
Hello, are you enjoying this video? Then why don't you subscribe to the Confessions of a Refashionista channel, follow Sherry on social media, and buy her $3 ebooks. They are packed with fantastic Refashionista tutorials. The link is down below. You can even get a deal with 645 code. That code 645. 645. Okay, you go back and finish the video.
Now, because my funky little piece of scrappy fabric was kind of see-through and quite thin, I went ahead and stitched another piece of fabric to the back. I simply put them both together with right sides facing, stitched all the way around, leaving a space for turning it right side out. Now I'm going to flip it right side out. Here's a quick little tip to make your corners nice and crisp. Grab an old chopstick. Now, of course, I've decorated mine, and use it to gently push out the corners of your fabric. Now I'm going to go ahead and top stitch all the way around to seal up that little opening and to make the sides extra sturdy and strong. Once you're happy with your pocket, go ahead and place it over top of that annoying logo graphic and stitch it all together. Now remember, leave the top open so you can use it as a pocket. Et voila! My groovy shirt is now logo free and has a fantastic pocket, making it super unique and just my style. Now I used a tight zigzag to stitch my pocket on because the fabric of the shirt is super stretchy, and the zigzag stitch will still allow the fabric that bit of stretch it needs so it doesn't pop the stitches. How quick and easy was it to fix that annoying logo? And now I have an adorable little pocket shirt. Yay! For loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com. And as always, subscribe to me everywhere and share your fave tudes with your online circles. And let's get everyone living a more rockstar, sustainable, eco-fashion lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
Subscribe to the Confessions of a Refashionista channel, follow Sherry on social media, and buy her $3 ebooks. The link is down below.